Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let's not waste the time and let's get into the class. So I had written the problem statement here. So now I will just read the problem statement. So the problem statement is take the array and k as an integer input. Given condition is that the array contains all the unique elements. Then take the sum as an integer input and print all the permutations of the pairs whose absolute difference is k, which means, for example, we are having n is equal to 3, right? And we have taken the array 1, 2, 3, and we have given k value is 2, right? So then we have to write the pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, right? Next 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. And we are having 3, 1, right? 3, 2, and 3, 3, right? Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So in this, you have to do the absolute difference. You have to do the absolute difference. For example, 1 minus 1. So what is the value? It is 0. But you have to get 2. When you do absolute difference, right? You should get 2, right? Like those pairs only you have to print it. Those pairs only you have to print it. For example, 1 minus 1, 0. So you should not print this. And we have next one 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. So you can do 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, right? So you can check left side onwards and right side onwards also. So 2 minus 1, 1. So it is also not. Here we are having 3 minus 1. So it is 2. It is 2. So it is working. So you have to print this 1, 3. The next one, 2 minus 1. It will give 1, and 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 3, it's, or 3 minus 2, it will give 1. And 3 minus 1, it will give 2. So you have to print this 3, 1. And we are having 3 minus 2, it's 1, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 1, 3, and 3, 1. So those pairs only you have to print it. So I hope you understand the problem statement, right? So let's write the code. So the code is import java.util.star, and after that I'll use a scanner as c is equal to new scanner system.in, right? And after that I have to take n is equal to sc.nextIn, and after that I have to take an array. I have to take an array of size n, and after that I have to take int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? And after that I have to take air of I is equal to c dot next int, right? So now I will use the nested for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? So each time I have to check, right? Each time I have to check j less than n and j plus plus, right? So now I have to check when I is equal to 0, I'm having 1, right? So you have to check with 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Like when I is equal to 0, 1, right? So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, right? With this one, you have to traverse all the elements in the array, right? So I hope you understand the nested for loop. And here I have to give the condition if air of I minus air of j, which means difference is equal to k, right? Is equal to k, or air of j minus air of I, right? So you have to check both the you have to check 1 comma 1 and you have to check 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 1 also, right? Right? You have to check 1 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 also. So while doing both the sides, when you get 2, k is equal to 2, then you have to print that pair, right? You have to do the difference from left to right and right to left also, right? And after that, I will give k is equal to k, right? So we have done it. So you have to now print that pair. Either it has to satisfy from left to right or right to left. Then you have to print the pair air of I plus and air of j, right? So the program is completed. Let's run it. Now we are having the concatenation error. Let's run it. Okay, we have to give the k value, and k is equal to c dot next and run it again. So there is no errors now. Now I'll give 1, 3, right? 3, 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? What is the output? The output is 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, right? Okay. Let's comment this. Let's comment this. So what we have done, we got 1, 2, 3. Sorry, we did not give k value, right? So we'll try to give the k value also now. 1, 2, 3, and k value is 2, right? See, we are having 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, right? And you can choose 5 also. 2, 3, 4, sorry. And I will give here 3 now, k value. And you will get the difference, which is 3. See, for 4 minus 1, it's 3. 5 minus 2, it's 3. 4 minus 1, it's 3. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So in this way, you can get the difference. You can get the difference. So the absolute difference is k. So I hope you understand this problem. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.